Mabuhay sa inyong lahat mga kaibigan. Welcome back to our channel, A Simple Life with Steve and Mel. Kumusta kayong lahat mga kaibigan sa ngayon? Sana ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan.
Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a very simple recipe for you to follow. If you like it, please send us your comments. We'd like to receive your comments. We will answer all the comments that we do receive. So enjoy the video. Hi, good morning. I've been asked if I can do a dessert, and so what I've chosen is a very quick and easy no-bake cheesecake. I'll show you the ingredients. So these are the ingredients for the cheesecake. You've got 160 grams of sugar, around about 150 grams of biscuits. I'm using digestive biscuits here. You can use shortbread, you can use graham biscuits, whatever you like, about 150 grams. There's 50 grams of butter, 300 milliliters of creme fraiche, 400 grams of soft cheese, and around 300 milliliters of double cream. I'm also going to use the zest from one orange. So what I'm just doing now is melting the butter, the 50 grams of butter, in a saucepan. When that's melted, we're going to put in the digestive biscuits, which I've crushed into small crumbs. Okay, so the butter, as you can see, is melted. So I'm just going to tip in 150 grams of biscuits, which, as I say, have been crushed into small biscuit crumbs. And then all we do is we just stir that together to make sure the biscuits get coated with the melted butter. We can turn this off the heat, it doesn't need any heat anymore, it's all melted. So just stir that around until it's all mixed together. So then we just tip the buttered biscuit crumbs into a suitable dish. Let's not waste any. We'll then flatten that down to form a base for the cheesecake. Just make sure that that's pressed down as firmly as you can. Smooth that out. And when that's all smoothed out, we're just going to pop that in the fridge to set for maybe about 30 minutes. So whilst we're waiting for the biscuit base to firm up in the fridge, what we're going to do is just going to whisk up some double cream or heavy cream, around 300 milliliters. And we need to just whisk this until it comes to soft peaks. Okay, so the cream has now been whisked. As you can see, it's now thickened up and forming soft peaks. What we need to do now is combine the sugar with the soft cheese. So again, around about 400 grams of soft cheese. So just mix together the sugar and the soft cheese, just sort of cream that together so that it all comes together as one. What we also need to do in here is put in the orange zest. So now that that's starting to come together. So what we need is just the zest of one orange. Just to give it that extra little bit of flavour. So you can see the orange zest in here now, so we'll just stir that in. Just mix all that together so that it's evenly spread throughout the mixture. If you don't have an orange, it doesn't matter, you can still make the cheesecake without the orange, it's still just as nice. Or if you don't like orange, you can also use other fruits if you wish to use other fruits. You can use raspberries, you can use blueberries, put whatever you like in here. So what we now need to do is fold in the cream cheese, the sugar and orange mixture in with the whipped cream. And at the same time, we need to put in the 300 millilitres of creme fraiche. Now we don't need to beat this, we just need to fold this in very carefully so that it's all combined. If you overwork it, the mixture will split and it won't work. So you just need to be very careful in just folding this in. So you get a nice even consistency in the mixture. So the biscuit crumb base has had a chance to set in the fridge for half an hour or so. So we just need to spoon in the cheesecake mixture onto the top. Make sure you get everything out here. And then just smooth that over the biscuit base. And there we have it. One very quick and very easy orange flavoured cheesecake. That now needs to sit in the fridge again for maybe 2 to 3 hours to chill properly and for the cheese to reset. But there we are, that's it done. Hope you enjoyed it.
Hi! Marami pong salamat sa iyong panonood sa amin at sa mga taong hindi pa nakapag-subscribe. Please subscribe, comment, share, and likes. At siya nga pala, binabati ko si Maggie, ang bago kong kaibigan. Maraming salamat sa iyo, kaibigan, sa pagtulong mo sa amin. Thank you!
Yeah, thanks again for watching. We hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're going to try the recipe. It's very simple, very easy. Do remember to send us your comments. We really want to hear from you. Until next time, goodbye.
Bye!